Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks. But today Indrani is not cooking. Today I am at Malaysia, mainly Langkawi. And in Langkawi we have taken a boat ride to see the special Malaysian mangroves. Though we have very recently visited Sri Lanka, we saw the mangroves there. I'm already having a video on the mangroves of Sri Lanka, which I will be giving the details in the description box. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can check there, friends. Though the mangroves of Malaysia was really not that impressive, but the boat ride was very good. From there, they took us to a bat cave. They showed us the crocodile cave, and then they took us to the fish farm. Everything was so. It was not that good, but the entire ride was very good. We enjoyed really the ride. It was a 2-hour boat ride, and which is really very good. You shouldn't miss this, friends. And I didn't capture the bat cave and all. They take 2 ringgit for the bat cave extra apart from the boat ride. I will be giving the details of every expenses that we have incurred from there. Actually, we have our hotel. We are staying at Ramada in near the JT Ghat, or the ferry point. From ferry point we took a car. Actually, we have taken a car for our entire trip. So we have taken a car and we went to that point from where they take us to the mangrove boat riding. It was 2 hours ride, and I will be giving all the details of the expenses very soon, or details in the description box, which you can check, friends. Now enjoy the boat ride. Friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. And those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them. Don't forget to press the small bell icon so that you get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. Thank you all for watching. Keep on watching.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?